Finding appropriate protective garments is easy with DuPont SafeSPEC. Say you're looking for a DuPont garment that offers protection against chemical hazards. On the SafeSPEC homepage, click on Chemical Protection and Clean Room. When the Products page opens, a selection of featured products will appear. Click the one that interests you. For this example, we'll click on Tychem 2000 SFR coveralls. The product detail page will open, providing you with garment views, available options, finished dimensions, fabric and chemical resistance data, and product-related literature. The product detail page also includes a link to frequently asked questions, as well as information about where to buy the product and how to request a sample garment. Searching by keyword. The search bar on the SafeSPEC homepage allows you to search for products using a specific keyword. For example, let's type dust into the search bar. A menu bar will open, allowing you to narrow your search by brand. We'll click on the Tyvek button. To start your search, click on the search icon. The tool returns your search results. Click on the results to learn more. You can also search by a variety of other keywords, including part numbers. For example, we'll type TY127 into the search bar. To start your search, click on the search icon. The tool returns results for the matching product, DuPont Tyvek 400 coveralls. Click on the results for a full product description. Finding products by design. SafeSPEC lets you find products by design or brand options. On the SafeSPEC homepage, click on Chemical Protection and Clean Room. Once the Products page opens, select View All Products. In the Products By toolbar, the Design button will be highlighted. From the list below, find and click on the garment design option that interests you. For this example, we'll click on Pants. Your search returns several product options. Click on the one that interests you for complete details. To search by brand, return to the SafeSPEC homepage and click on Chemical Protection and Clean Room. On the Products page, select View All Products. In the Products By toolbar, click the Brand Category button. A variety of different brand options will appear below. Select the one that interests you. For this example, we'll try Tychem 5000. The tool returns several options from the Tychem 5000 product family. For complete details, click on the garment that interests you. Searching by industry. To search for DuPont protective garments by industry, start on the SafeSPEC Products homepage. In the top navigation bar, click on Products. A drop-down menu will appear. Next to Industries, click on the plus sign. The section will expand to show a list of options. Choose your industry from the list of options provided. For this example, we'll choose Agriculture. The tool will return a number of suitable options for agriculture, along with related resources. Searching by hazard. To search for DuPont garments by a specific chemical hazard, begin on the SafeSPEC Products homepage. Click on Chemical Protection and Clean Room. Once the Products page opens, select Search by Hazard. From the drop-down menu, select Hazard. Complete the Product Selector agreement. Before you start your search, you may need to sign into the tool on the DuPont SafeSPEC registration page, especially if you're a first-time user. On the next page, under the Search By options, the Chemical Hazard button will be highlighted. Click on the box labeled Chemical or Other Hazard Name and start typing in your chemical or hazard name. A list of suggested hazards will appear. Select the relevant one. For this example, we'll use sulfuric acid. Once you've found your hazard, click Add to List. Your list can include up to 5 hazards. If you'd prefer to add your hazard using its CAS number, enter it now. Select Add to List. When you finish your list, click Next. A chemical comparison table and fabric permeation testing data will appear. To view the full data by product family, click on the plus signs. The table will expand. Once you've reviewed the data, click Next. Follow the prompts and provide more details about your hazard exposure. Then click View Matching Products. SafeSPEC will recommend suitable DuPont garment options that offer protection against sulfuric acid. At this point, you'll have the chance to save your hazard scenario for future reference. To do so, click on Save Scenario. When prompted, give your scenario a name and click Agree. Your scenario will be saved for 90 days. Double-checking your selection. With SafeSPEC, you can double-check the suitability of any DuPont garment for your specific workplace hazards. On the product detail page, click on the Double Check button. Then read and agree to the terms of use. A search by prompt will appear. You can search by a previously saved scenario or by a new hazard. For this example, we'll choose hazard. You'll be prompted to enter a list of workplace hazards. You can add up to 5. Once you've added your hazards, select Next. After you've viewed the permeation chemical resistance data, click Next. Follow the prompts to add a few more details about your hazard exposure. Then click View Matching Products. SafeSPEC will either confirm that the garment you selected is suitable for your hazard scenario or alert you that it isn't suitable. It will also offer other product options that may be suitable. Workers need dependable, high-quality protective garments that are matched to the hazards they face. With DuPont SafeSPEC, finding them is easy. Give it a try. Visit safespec.dupont.com.